Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about a very common issue that occurs in Windows 10 or Windows 11, and that is that your window keeps freezing randomly. So in case you're also facing this issue, then it is a very common issue, and in this video, we are going to discuss about the steps that we are going to take it to solve this issue. So these steps are actually varied solutions. The basics of this is that we need to make sure that our Windows is protected from any kind of viruses and threats. This could be at the system level, this could be at the disk level, and we are going to actually carry out different scans just to check this thing. So what we're going to do in this video is a three-part process. First of all, we are going to do a quick scan, then we are going to do a thorough disk scan, and then we are going to do an SFC scan. So let us see that how do we do all of these scans. So first of all, we are going to go with a quick scan. So for this quick scan, this is actually a feature inbuilt by Windows, wherein Windows can quickly scan for any of the viruses and threat protections. Any of the borderline viruses can be detected easily by this. Any of the threats can be detected easily by this using a program called Windows Defender, and then we can easily remove them. So for this, what you need to do is go to the search bar and type in settings on your keyboard to bring up the settings app. Once you are in the settings app, go to this update and security option. Once in the update and security option, go to Windows security. Then you need to go to virus and threat protection. So once you click on it, Windows Defender or the Windows Security dialog box would open. Here you will find scan options. So there are different types of scans like quick scan, full scan, custom scan, and a Microsoft Defender offline scan. So you can read more about these scans from these descriptions that are provided over here, but what we're going to do is run a quick scan first. So make sure the quick scan is selected and click on scan now. This would take around 2 to 3 minutes to scan all of your folders and files where the threads are commonly found. Then what we are going to do in the second step is go for a full scan. So full scan will more thoroughly check for the issues on the hard disk, on the programs that are running on the hard disk, and it could take around 1 hour, as it is mentioned over here in the description as well. So in the second step, just select full scan and click on scan now. Now once you're doing the quick scan and the full scan, if there are any threats or viruses, they would have been caught by Windows system, Windows Defender, and they would be shown to you. Then you can just eliminate those threats. Then what you can do is if this does not solve your issue, then we can move on to the next step, which is checking the disks. So for this, what we're going to do is go to this PC. Here I have 3 drives, so I'm going to do this only for once, but you have to do this one by one for all of these 3 disk drivers. So what we are going to do is just select the driver, right click and go to properties. Once in the properties, go to tools, go to error checking and go to check. Then there would be an option to scan the drive, so click on scan drive. This would take 4 to 5 minutes. It would scan all the content that is present in your drive, and it depends on the drive size as well. So once all the content has been detected, then you need to make sure that there is no issue, there is no error actually in that particular content, and that should actually conclude your scan for the drive. So once you have done it for all these 3 drives, then what you can do as a last step, as a last resort, is move on to the SFC scan. So SFC scan is actually one of the most cliched solutions that is actually used in different ways to solve the issues with the Windows. So for this, what we're going to do is we need to go to the search bar and type in CMD to bring up on the command prompt and run it as an administrator. When asked for permission, just click on yes, and here you need to type in the command sfc/scan now. Now make sure that there are no spaces in this command and all are in small cases. Once you press enter, then it would take 5 to 6 minutes to run an SFC scan. Post that, you need to restart your system, and once you do that, then you will see that your issue should have been solved. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.